Is it time to buy or sell Datadog stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Datadog. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 1st of October, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 29th of September 2025, our system has ranked Datadog as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 4.14. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock has seen a gain of 5.12%. This translates to an average return of 1.71% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock has broken the wide and falling short-term trend upward. Initially, a slower decline is indicated, but this may very well be an early signal of a trend shift. Upon reaction, there will be support at the ceiling of the current trend broken, which is $148.50, a level that may present a second chance for a significant gain. According to fan theory, $176.01 will be the next possible trend top level, thereby creating a resistance level that may not be overcome on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 4.35% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 24.22% and negative 6.99%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 1.82%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 45.02% to 6.82% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $83.95 and $163.12. Our latest daily update for Datadog features the headline. On Wednesday, Datadog Incorporated stock price gained an impressive 7.23%. The Datadog Incorporated stock price increased by 7.23% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 1st of October, 2025. Rising from $142.40 to $152.70. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 7.33% with a low of $143.83 and a high of $154.37. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 13.76% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 3 million more shares were traded than the previous day, with 8 million shares exchanged for approximately $1.19 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $170.08, while the lowest was $81.63. Currently, the price is 10.22% or $17.38 below the 52-week high, and 23.53% or $46.98 below the all-time high reached on the 17th of November, 2021, when the price peaked at $199.68. Datadog is currently attracting attention as its shares rose approximately 7% today, following optimistic analyst commentary and increased investor interest. The company is positioned as a leader in observability, cloud security, and artificial intelligence tooling, and its recent results support this claim, showing about 28% year-over-year revenue growth and a growing customer base with increased adoption of AI and security products. This momentum suggests a speculative buy outlook. However, the valuation appears high. Analysts indicate that Datadog must maintain at least 20% annual revenue growth to justify its current multiples. In the short term, the combination of positive results and bullish notes is driving momentum and higher trading volumes, leading to an increase in the stock price and attracting momentum traders. However, one should anticipate volatility and the risk of quick profit-taking if guidance or macroeconomic sentiment falls short. In the long run, the continued adoption of AI-native observability and security could establish a sustainable revenue flywheel, and support multiple expansion. Nevertheless, margin pressure from AI investments and intense competition means that any slowdown below the 20% growth threshold could likely result in a significant re-rating. In summary, there is considerable upside potential if execution remains strong, but the company is highly sensitive to any growth misses. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 30th of September, 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned DDOG an overweight grade with an initialize action. On Monday, the 18th of August, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned DDOG a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 8th of August, 2025, it was reported that Scotiabank assigned DDOG an outperform grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 8th of August, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned DDOG an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 7th of August, 2025, it was reported that Guggenheim assigned DDOG a sell grade with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Datadog stock. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio and price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have provided a neutral rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Datadog. The stock of Datadog Inc. is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, there will be support at $141.44 and $135.14. If the stock falls below either of these levels, sell signals will be triggered. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom on Thursday, August 14, 2025, and the stock has since risen by 22.63%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which may impact short-term developments. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal, pivots, buy signal from 34 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago, short-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 20 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 25 days ago, the long-term moving average, buy signal from 90 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 83 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Datadog. Datadog Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $152.41. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock typically trades with robust volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is deemed low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $10.54, equating to 7.33% between its high and low points. In the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 4.42%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Datadog, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A notably high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, such elevated ratios are not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential. Additionally, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 450 thousandths of a dollar. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Datadog. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Datadog is $155.15. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be exceeded before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Datadog encounters its first support level at $152.41. If this support level remains intact, it may serve as a favorable entry point as a rebound could be anticipated. The combined average rating for Datadog from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Pamela Olivier, who bought and sold 33,585 shares or options in the company. According to the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 65.481. In total, insiders purchased 370,890 shares and sold 1,831,703 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $147.14, reflecting a decrease of 3.64%. This stock exhibits low daily movements, indicating a lower risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom, identified 33 days ago. Is Datadog stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are showing positive signs, and the breakout from the declining trend suggests a potential shift in direction. We believe that prices near this breakout point will represent particularly favorable levels, but we also think that the current price can serve as a solid buying opportunity in the short term. Our analysis has been upgraded from a hold to a buy candidate since the last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 2nd of October, we anticipate that Datadog will open lower by $2.40, starting at $150.30. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.